I've been looking for this picnic basket everywhere. When I saw it, it was my dream picnic basket, but it's really hard to find secondhand, and I do not want to give the brand my money. And then I found this picnic basket, and it was a super cute heart-shaped one, but I just don't support that price point. So I decided to combine the two and make my own.
Thrifted this super cute heart picnic basket on OfferUp for $20. Step 1. Hot gluing down all the loose wicker pieces to make it more secure. Step 2. Find a spray paint color you love and paint the basket. Step 3. Find a cute fabric to line your basket. Step 4. Cutting out the shapes to line the inside of the basket. Step 5. Hot gluing the fabric to black felt to add cushion and prevent the white fabric from showing through. I love it!